Hey guys, welcome back. I am going to keep this very short and very sweet. And before you go on that it's a same Google image downloader, I am not going to dishearten you. No, we are getting a hack around it, but to a general purpose public who had just came here to download certain images on their desktop to do some operations to make something out of those images. Please trust me, this is a very simple thing. You can, if you are not a programmer, you can do it. You have to just download two things. Okay, so please just stick to it. I'll just give you a brief overview of how it is happening and then we will be moving further. So see, before with Python we have a functionality we can download something from the browser. We call it web scraping. And then we have Selenium where the browser automation comes into picture. Selenium is a different topic altogether. The function we do is use is web scraping. And before all of this, Hardik Vasa has developed this particular Git of Google Images download, which used to work flawlessly in Python. With Python, you have to do nothing, and you can just download anything with any keyword and all the images. But sadly, Google has done some changes into his searching algorithm and his backend, and as a result, the scraping is not working now, and we are getting all of the images as 0 KB. So I tried doing all those here and there tweaks and tricks in Google Images download, and frankly, as a developer, I can do it. But as a normal person who wants to grow its business and who wants to do something, who doesn't know a bit of coding and who doesn't want to get involved into that, we don't have to worry about it, right? We need to find an alternative. So just to find an alternative, I go to Bing. And yeah, don't worry, wait for a second. I know you might be thinking that why I have to use Bing. I am a Google guy. See, think Google as a middleman. What Google will search, Bing will also search, but with a lower rate. Okay, so you will get something out of Bing. It's not nothing like that. You will use Google, you will use DuckDuckGo, you will use Yahoo. You will get Bing also. So just go with let's for today's video, for your sake, for the beginner's sake, I'll go with Bing. Okay, yeah, so let's talk about Bing. So I will be giving you two files. Two files, that's it. One is the replica of Google Images Downloader, that is Bing Images Downloader. Second is something I have written to just to make your process super smooth. Because in Google Images Downloader, we just need to provide the keyword along with the Python program name. In Bing, we can't do that. Let me give you frankly a thing. We can't do that. Okay. So what we are doing there is we are going to copy that particular URL and then call the program. A little bit hectic, right? Because you have to copy a full URL and then in the program. Let me tell you what I'm saying to you. So if you see this, right? This is your Bing Images download.py program, and you have to call it this, like this. Okay, guys, who are going to cut this because it's like a developer friendly discussion, and you are not a developer. Please wait. Please wait. This is a thing you have to copy and paste. Nothing, no development is involved here. Okay, I am going to make it super smooth for you. So I have given a basic kind of uh, script over it, and it's this script here. You will be getting the readme instruction, and this is a simple script where we will be using the paperclip functionality to copy it from the clipboard. Clipboard means the moment you see do control and C, it's copied to your clipboard. Before you do control V, I mean pasting it somewhere else, it is copying to your it is being copied to your clipboard and it will be used. So that's what we are going to do. And suppose let's start. I mean, I why to waste time, right? Let's start. We are starting with Bing. We are opening Bing, and I must say their backend background image looks good. And we are opening Sky images. We got Sky images. We click on images. That's okay. You can do this also. You can put on image size also. And yeah, we got it. And we copy this particular thing. We go to the directory where our Python command is placed. Okay, don't worry about it. I have done so many testing, no, that's why. And here We just type this, if you are able to see, right, this python download images.python, and we run it. Meanwhile it's running, see it's completed, right? Meanwhile it's running, I'll show you what I'm going to give you. And this is the one I'm talking about, this particular thing, this download images, Bing image download, that's a script. And this is the uh, like capping script I have written, which will be helpful for you. And you can just run this script. And before that, do everything, place everything, install everything at one place, install Python at one place. Okay, just do any go to Python and install for a normal guy, just Python download, Python 3.8 download. Okay, and you will get it from here. Click on it and just install it. You can get it so many things, so many features you will get. This is a stable release and all those things, and you can get it from here. Don't worry about it, you will get it from everything. Mac OS, Windows, executable, executable installer. You can click on anything. You can do this also. This executable installer, it will install. See, as it is, as simple as that. Or once this is done, go to that particular location, place your files there, write this pip install command in your command prompt to that particular location, and it's done. You just need to copy this particular coming here. Now if you see, we have run that program, no? So it goes till 100, 83 it goes till 100, it tries 16, okay, and it got error into, and this two error invalid or missing image format, both two error, rest are getting downloaded. And how to see, you will be having a download folder like in Google Images. And the last one, this is the one, the sky, which we are talking about. Is it? Yeah, this is the one. So see, I am not giving you a proper guarantee that everything will come up, but at least in one go you are able to download this. Because see, sky will come in different pattern, right? So even if there is a side command on sky, it will get it. Like here, sky is there. I don't know. There may be some naming of this convention, something with this kind. So this is how it is. But at least we'll get good images like that. Not this, not this, not this, that. Okay. Don't look at the girl. I'm saying don't look at the girl. Look at the sky, please. Like this. See, where can you get this? You will not even get. So at least 4 to 5 images you are getting, and if your luck is strong, you will get 100 out of 100 images. And I will tweak the code here. I have already tweaked the code here for Python. If you have seen, let me see, like this. Yeah, here you can see, you can put 100 here. And if you want more than 100, you have to install Chrome driver. For that, I am not giving you that right now. It's a simple one which we are going to use, and I hope it's okay for you. If no, it's not okay, I'll tell you what to do from the starting. Number one, download it from the link I will giving to you, both two files. Download Python from this link, install it to anywhere. After installing, place those two files into that location. Do this also. Pip, okay, what's happening? Yeah, pip install paperclip. Okay, and you will be just install this particular section in that particular location, and then you are done. You have to go here, copy this whatever thing is that, and just go and run your command like this, Python and your particular program name. Your copy syntax will automatically be pasted and inserted in your command, and you will be seeing like this. See, this is the one, right? Python Bing images download. This is the one, and this is the one you copied. This is how you will be going to do it. I hope you have liked this video. There are certain things you have learned today, and I know this is the kind of things where you are saying that okay, 83 images could not be downloaded. If you want 100 out of 100, We will do something out of it. Okay, just ping me on the comment section. I'll be giving you a good link. I'll be updating that if you want. But I think for a noob like us, it's better that we can at least start with something. And to download one, we can download 10 to 20, and that's a good sign, right? So be ready to use this. It will be helpful for you. And till then, next video, bye bye. Stay safe.